this week's video. I am so excited that you're here, and yes, as you saw in the title, I am going to be buying my first Chanel bag. This is not something, a last minute splurge. I have been saving for this bag for a while. I just did all my makeup right now. I'm still in my pajamas, but I am going to get dressed now. I'm going to get Cheyenne ready, and Santi and I and Cheyenne are going to make our way to the boutique. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear. It's a dress from Mr. Ted Baker, which I love. This Chanel boutique is in the Miami Design District. We were told we needed an appointment, but upon arrival we were asked what we wanted to buy, and we set a bag, so we really didn't need an appointment. The store is gorgeous inside. The first floor has handbags and the second floor is dedicated to fashion. I was very indecisive about the bag because in all honesty I liked all of them, but the service was outstanding. This is the dress that I told you guys about. When we were done, we stopped by Starbucks and ordered the usual. As you can see, Cheyenne gets very excited about going. He always gets a cappuccino. In the next part of the video, I am going to be giving you very valuable information if you are planning to get a Chanel bag. Hey guys, so in this portion of the video, I am going to be giving you guys valuable information on Chanel. If you're planning to buy anything from them, you are going to have some amazing tips, things that you might have not known about. Also, at the end of this video, please be sure to watch. I'm going to be linking them down below. I have two Chanel unboxings. One of them is if you're buying your first Chanel shoes, watch this first, and the other one is a story time about me going and shopping at Chanel. The first thing that you need to know is that you need an appointment to buy your purse. In the United States, you need an appointment, but in my case, Sandy called the store and he told them that he wanted to get a bag, and they told him that he had to come in person and schedule the appointment. What happened with that was that when we got there, so we basically just didn't have to make the appointment. We just went in with a salesperson and we just bought the bag. The second thing is that you need an account with Chanel. And for you to get an account, obviously you have to buy something. Accounts are national, which means that if you make a Chanel purchase in another country, it's not gonna be under the same account. For example, if you have an account in Mexico and you have an account in the US, whatever you have in Mexico is for Mexico, whatever you have in the US is for the US. Something else that you guys should know about is that when you go into Chanel, you are going to be just blown away by all the bags and everything that they sell. In my opinion, it is such amazing quality and just the designs are beautiful. So if you're there for hours and you can't make up your mind, from what I heard, that is perfectly normal, so don't feel bad. They are very nice at the store, very helpful, and they will go above and beyond to help you find what you're looking for. Another relevant fact that you should know is that if you see something in one Chanel or even online, they may not have the same inventory in all stores, and things do sell out very, very quickly. So if you see something you like at a specific store, my advice would be to just go ahead and buy it there. There are two materials that you are going to see at Chanel, which are, in my opinion, the most common, and that is caviar and lambskin. In my opinion, caviar just has longer longevity, and the other one, which is lambskin, it's a little bit more delicate, but both of them look absolutely beautiful, and obviously a Chanel bag is not an everyday bag. Keep that in mind. This is something that you would wear out for a special occasion. And whatever material you do decide to go for, just remember that you are using these bags as an investment, and that is my next tip. So Chanel bags are investments. And why are they investments? Because they don't depreciate in value. If anything, they go up in value. Obviously, there's more information online, but if you buy a bag now, 10 years from now, it may be worth a lot more money, and that is just something that you can just consider. Whatever bag or whatever item you purchase at Chanel, just remember that this is something that you can pass on to your children. So if they have a daughter, I'm gonna pass on my bags to her. Now I'm gonna be taking you guys to the unboxing, and just always keep in mind that if you wanna get something, you can always do so. Just work hard for what you want and remain confident that you will do so. For me, a Chanel bag was honestly something that was unattainable, but I have a degree and I worked very hard and I saved up for it and I bought it. And the same thing could happen for you too. If you've always wanted a Chanel bag, I've been there. I've always looked at them, thought they were so beautiful and stylish, and wanted one for myself. And now I have one, and the same thing can happen to you.